Zach Jackson here, Bruegmann USA Business Development. Today we are here in Moscow, Idaho at Stinker Stores with our partners at Stinker and AeroRock Supply, and where we just completed an installation of our combined FlexRoller and C21 shelving system. As you can see, the results speak for themselves, as they always do. And everything's remained fronted. We were able to gain shelves and facings. Obviously these are very small doors, and the fact that we're able to gain those extra facings for SKUs speaks highly of the space optimization with the combined system. And yeah, as I said, the results speak for themselves. Everything remains fronted at all times. Everything's looking great, from your beer doors here to your Red Bull, you name it. Another great feature of the C21 system is the adjustability of the shelving, so you simply can pull a lever at the front or back of the shelf and one person can adjust the shelf just by themselves. And yeah, so once again, shout out to the PFI team and AeroRock and Stinker Stores for this great install, and we're excited to hear about the benefits to come.